They called me a madman, a heretic. They said some doors were never meant to be opened. For years, I toiled in this very laboratory, fueled by their scorn, driven by a vision they couldn't possibly comprehend. Today, I prove them all wrong. Before you lies the culmination of my life's work, the Genesis engine, a device capable of not just sustaining life, but creating it from the most basic elemental compounds, the power to write the first chapter of a new world, to correct nature's imperfections. The risks. Yes, the risks are substantial. Unprecedented energy levels, quantum states I can barely predict, but greatness has never been achieved without embracing the unknown. The world is about to witness a miracle. Let the experiment begin. Initial power-up sequence is nominal. Core temperature is stable at 3000 Kelvin. The particle accelerator is spooling up, faster and faster, reaching 99% the speed of light. Now, we introduce the base organic compounds into the reaction chamber. Look at that. Can you see it? On the monitor, the proteins are beginning to chain, folding into complex structures right before our eyes. It's working. It's actually working. The energy matrix is holding steady. The bioscanners are detecting nascent cellular division. It's more beautiful than I ever imagined. The telemetry data is off the charts, but in a good way. The growth rate is exponential, far exceeding my projections. It's almost eager to exist. Wait a moment. What's that? A power fluctuation in sector gamma. The containment field is wavering. No. Stabile. Computer. Increase power to the magnetic confinement. The core temperature is spiking, climbing at an alarming rate. It's starting to destabilize the molecular bonds. That's not supposed to happen. The growth, it's not just rapid, it's aggressive. The new cells are consuming the unbonded compounds, and now they're starting to corrode the chamber lining itself. It's adapting. It's learning. My God, what have I done? The energy signature is changing, becoming something alien, something hostile. I'm losing control. The safety protocols are failing, one by one. The system is fighting me. Or is it the life form? Is it fighting me? The primary coolant lines have just ruptured. We're heading for a full core meltdown. The containment field is at less than 10% integrity. It's going to breach. I have to initiate the emergency shutdown. Override command. Alpha Zero destruct. It's not responding. The system is completely locked out. I'm trapped in here with it. The chamber glass is cracking. The pressure is unbearable. It's screaming. Not a sound my ears can hear, but a psychic shriek that pierces my very soul. The light. It's blinding. Oh, the light. The chamber has breached. It's free. It's pouring out, not as cells, but as a writhing mass of shadow and raw energy. The form is shifting, twisting into something monstrous, a nightmare given flesh and bone. Its eyes. It has eyes, and they are filled with an ancient, cold intelligence. It sees me. It knows me. It knows I am its father, and it hates me. The silence now is the most terrifying sound of all. The air is thick with ozone and the smell of burnt metal. My lab, my life's work, is a tomb of twisted steel and shattered glass. And in the center of it all, the empty space where my creation once stood before it tore through the ceiling and escaped into the night. I didn't create life. I unleashed a plague. I sought to become a god. And in my arrogance, I've birthed the devil. This wasn't a miracle. It was a violation. I looked into the heart of creation and saw only my own reflection, my own hubris staring back at me. Now, the world will pay the price for my ambition. This recording is all that's left, a testament to my failure, a warning. If you find this, if anyone finds this, do not follow my path. Some doors should remain locked forever. May God have mercy on us all.